What is this? Oh, this is the proof I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win.
Over here for me, please. Wait for your credentials to be called.
Alright, what did y'all get?
Steffi and I got gunners again.
Gunners? Lulu and I are pilots.
Lulu, you want to let Steffi try to be a pilot?
That'd be a good.
It's fun to be a gunner, but if you just shoot the whole time. You want to be a gunner? What do you want to do? She wants to be the gunner. Okay, I'll be gunner. Yeah, we got this.
Okay, are you guys? I can do this. Alright, engineers, you know what you're doing. Alright, if you guys can head into that room right there.
Alright, stand on your pilot.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Alright, any cargo will go at your feet or in the pocket next to you, right this way.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
I'm the one who goes up and down. That means I'm
That means you have to put this into warp, so you gotta be ready.
Pull on those yellow tabs, please. Thank you.
Gotta push that big button.
Hold on. Other side.
Hurry now, time is money.
Alright, get those flashing by the side right here.
The yellow one, yeah.
Fly it safely.
Steffi, you ready?
Flight engineer, prepare. Hit your flashing button.
We'll do stuff like that up and on.
Good job, engineer.
Make sure you look at front too, though.
Right,
There
pilot,
isn't missing.
push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Up! Down!
Let's go get that coaxium. Right, pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Oh, pull the stick, yeah.
It's the train. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked on to us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now cover up the ship. Well, you see, just as I promised, my friend. Now, let's get another container of coaxium. Behind the train. Just hit the train.
No, keep pushing it, yeah. Keep
Yes,
pushing it, keep pushing
keep
it.
mashing those controls. The combo is pretty good. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gotcha. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We leave them back, they may find the resistance. It's the last. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be hard. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Great job, everybody.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Enfin, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel to uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull.
I'll do another acid check for seal
Time for you to go. Don't worry, the payment is on the way.